1, 2. Oh, that's huge.
Oh, I saw it now this time. Wow. Are they coming this way?
Yeah.
Now it's kind of this side, huh?
Yeah.
Not that they can't turn around the back, but people are just like. Wow.
It's like 5 or 6.
Hear the airplane?
All those people are gonna come over here. So.
There it is.
Yeah.
Closer.
A lot of people. A lot of people.
Yep.
These are the ones that hunt the seals, I think. Yeah, they've got the big, tall dorsal fins. Well, they have to, by law, they have to stay really far away.
Oh, there we go. Getting closer this way.
What's this?
The orcas.
What's this?
They're whales.
Not like this.
They're that far away. It's pretty incredible.
What's this?
Some boats, and there's some cars and trucks on the bridge.
What's
See, you can see it though. See the
What's this?
sky. Bless you.
I'm full of fish.
Here, fill your bucket up.
What's this?
Hmm? I just I was putting it in the bucket.
Look at this. What's this? What's this up here? What's this? What's this, Mama? What's this? What's this? Whoa! It's raining. Is it raining?
Yeah, I know a guy up in BC that they come right up on the beach, and they rub their bellies, get the barnacles off. Just don't lose sight of Dawn.
Stay right here, baby. Can you fill your bucket up again for me? Look at the whales. Can you see them?
No.
Let's go closer to the water. Watch out there. You'll be able to see them. Come up. See it? Oh my God. Oh, you're okay. Yeah.
Where's that big one?
It's an orca whale. Whale. Yeah. Wow. There's the big one. Right there! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is so cool!
That was cool, huh, buddy? Come on, Joey. Oh, I hit my chin.
Come on, Tommy.
Hit my chin.